Good morning from Cornwall. Let's start with a little bird action today, shall we? So we've got the lovely wood pigeon and the little robin. He's dancing. The hart's tongue fern popping up everywhere in the garden. And these are baby's tears growing in all the cracks and crevices all around the garden. Lovely. And more tiny little daffodils shooting out everywhere. And the bluebells that are not out yet, but they're gorgeous, they are. And the wild violets, they're everywhere in this garden. They're self-seed all over the place. They're lovely though. Devon violets. And not to forget the hellebores. Gorgeous cream. These are a lovely cream colour. Some more little tiny daffodils. Miniature. So lovely. I always try to leave some wildflowers in the garden. This is the red campion. What's nicer? I mean, it's lovely. Why would you get rid of it? So, as you might know, I am very keen on upcycling, recycling, any kind of cycling. And this was an old rickety old chair that was dangerous, and it was in the shed for ages. So my husband took it apart, and this is what he made out of it. So he used it sort of upside down, the chair with the seat with the legs and a roof on it. Isn't that nice? And the birds love it. Keeps all their food nice and dry. So it's that time of year when the first thing I do when I get up in the morning, I get my coffee and I walk around the garden and just check what needs to be done that day or what I can do that day, because I like to have a plan on what I'm doing on that day. And that's what I love to do, and look at all my hard work that I did the day before. So I've got my ingredients here that I need. I've got my eggs, I've got my feta cheese, my spinach and my chives. And that's all that's going to go in these little omelettes of mine. So let's make a start. Okay, so I'm going to make these little omelettes today. I know omelettes are simple, but hey, I'm going to make them in my omelette maker, which might make a little difference to you. So I've got my feta, my spinach, my chives, my eggs, obviously. So I've just chopped up a little bit of spinach. Yeah, these are omelette makers are, they're marvellous. Marvellous if you're on your own. Just making, you might only want to make one, put on your salad or whatever. So that's probably enough spinach for the moment. So let's just do the eggies. Let's do the eggs. Let me just, that'll do. There we go. Now, I just need to get actually, oops, there we go. Now, I'm not going to put any salt in it because the feta is quite salty. So, look, let's see what we can put in there. Oh, that's rather a lot. Right, now I think we're going to be delish. Close them up. Now, let's see what happens here, shall we? Let's check how they are doing. Look at that. Ooh, so fluffy. So fluffy. So nice. think you can safely say they're done, and they are gorgeous. So on the plate, I've got potato salad, coleslaw, two different kinds of lettuce, onion, celery, salsa, quinoa, and of course the omelettes, and just a drizzle of mayo on the lettuce. What a lovely, lovely lunch, and very quick. Hope you enjoyed the video. It would mean the world to me if you would like to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from Cornwall.